Pursok.
Opo. Okay, press 5.
Ayun, pero ayun sa tambugan.
Sige naman.
Oh, ayun ba?
Kaya napasip gusto mo ako yung yung ginawa atin kung napasip gusto. Sir, tabagi ko support siyang ulo sir. Paliho ko sir. Kunita yung ulo diya sir, diya sir. Kuniti ha. Jadi, naman to ginagaya ng obvious. Sir, paliho ko. Sir, kumain sir. Straight yung lawas din sir. Straight yung lawas. Yeah, very one, two, up. Kuniti yung ulo. Kuniti yung ulo.
Kuniti lang, yung ulo, kuniti lang.
Support na yung ulo, sir. Isa ka pa doon dito, sir. 1, 2, 3. Anak.
Wala may carton.
Sir, are you okay? Talk to me. Ay, yung ulo. Sir, stable lang yung ulo, sir. Anak. Kuniti lang sa
May carton, gamay butakan sa ulo.
Okay. Sir, dire ka, sir. Dire ka, sir.
Sakto ko na hotel ko si Charles, maglaro mo.
Kaya po, para sir
Wait,
po.
tagay ko uling kuranan, ma'am. Okay.
Kanang na mailipit siyang tiil. Di, butang na ito.
Just breathe. Sir, kuniti, palihaw.
Kaya mo nito eh.
Yeah. Feeling better now? Follow my breathing. Inhale. Slow. Inhale. Slow, slowly. Inhale. And blow. Inhale. And blow. Good. Just keep it up. Just breathe for me. Just breathe for me. Just breathe for me, okay? Good. Inhale.
Kaming na?
Good. That's it.
Charge.
Don't worry about your eyes. It's okay. It's okay. Control na. Ayun, diyan. Okay. I'm a trained first aider now. Just follow what I say, okay? I'm gonna put down your legs and I will try to lift you up and just lean on my legs, okay? So the blood will not go through your head, okay?
Mas karet.
Down.
Upo na lang.
Sir, stable lang ang head. Ato siya. Okay. Don't push yourself. Okay. Just let me lift you. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Up. Okay. Good. Just talk to me. What's your name?
Pagnaon, nangyayat
Yeah, Michael. Give me your hand, Michael. Squeeze my hand, Michael. Squeeze it high. Tighter, Michael. Luya na. Okay, tighter, Michael. Talk to me, Michael. It's good. Don't go. Just let. Kinaya ko lang. Remove your sandals. You want to remove? No, just leave it. You don't want to remove.
Pagnaon.
Lagay ko, clean cloth, palihaw, clean. Kana limpyo nga printan. Don't worry. Okay, I will not let go. Ayaw nag-init. Init, ma'am. Init. Huwag na ako kinanan, ma'am. Palihaw.
Pagnaon, kaniya.
You take your medicine if you have something to do.